Hey guys, welcome to Motovan TV. Today I'm with Bart and we will discover the new Zox motocross helmet called the Rage. We finally got our new helmet in.
Yes, it's very stylish.
Yes.
I really like it, like the graphics. Does it comes like in different colors, different style?
Yes, this graphic comes in multiple colors and in a solid matte black.
Okay.
As you can see, it's a very lightweight helmet.
It is, yes.
It's a polycarbonate, injected molded polycarbonate ABS shell.
Okay.
Okay, and as you can see, a lot of extensive work was made to improve the ventilation.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the big front vent here and the chin vent with, should I say, a
dust filter?
A dust filter, removable,
inside,
replaceable
yeah.
dust filter. Forehead vent here, and also multiple extraction vents.
So what about the inside of the helmet? Is the foam washable or removable?
Yes, exactly, both. This is a moisture wicking, removable, washable liner.
Okay. So I see we have like the double D chin strap.
Yeah, the double D chin strap, which is the most common chin strap on the market right now.
Okay. What about the visor? Is it adjustable?
It's
for the rider?
adjustable, yes. Good question here with the screws. Could be adjusted to the rider's preferred position.
Okay. Fred, I see on the back the DOT sticker, which means the helmet is certified.
Certified, yes. DOT, as you know, is the North American certification.
Yes.
But it is also ECE certified,
is
which is the European certification.
Okay. One more question that I have. Is the helmet coming in different sizes?
Great question, actually. In the beginning, we mentioned that it was a injected molded polycarbonate ABS shell.
Yes.
There's actually two shell sizes.
Okay.
And with that, we were able to get head sizes from extra small to 2XL.
So I think that wraps it up for the unboxing of the Zox Rage helmet.
Yes, great off-road helmet with multiple applications, whether you're an entry-level rider or a pro rider, at a great price. So for more information, please visit motovan.com.
If you guys liked our video, feel free to subscribe, and you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Motovan.